Hello ladies and gentlemen, Danadeoboye here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reprint your NIN slip and your BVN slip all by yourself using either your NIN number or your phone number. So in this video, I'm going to use the phone number to generate the NIN slip. Now you must understand that for you to generate your NIN slip, you have to have the phone number that you use to register for that NIN if you want to use the phone number, or better still, use the NIN. So I'm going to show you how I get here in a little while, but let me just show you how everything operates. So I'm going to click on by phone number and I'm going to put the phone number here. So I'm going to just blur it because it is a personal information. Alright, then after that, I'm going to click on I confirm that I have obtained proper consent from the NIN owner for this verification. This means that you should not just get people's NIN and start downloading it. It's people that are giving you permission. It is very, very important that you get permission from whoever owns it, or if it's your own, then you are good to go. Then you are going to tick mark this I confirm that. Then you're going to click on verify and download slip. So if that particular phone number is correct, you're going to see this verification successful. Your slip has been generated. It happened within a seconds. It's going to go. Then all you have to do to get the slip is to click on download slip. So I'm going to click on download slip and it's going to be downloaded straight to my phone. So you can see on the screen, although I'm blurring it, this is the premium one. You can see the front and the back. So now you can do the regular slip, and you can also generate your own BVN using that the phone number or the BVN card. You can generate the slip itself. So let me tell you how everything is done. Now the name of this particular website, it is maxpay.com.ng, and it also comes with an application which you can actually install straight on your phone, so you don't need to come to the website every time you want to do the verification. And it also have other services which you can enjoy. Like on this particular platform, they are very cheap and affordable and quality data. So let me just tap on any one of it and show you how it is being done. For example, for this data now, I can click on MTN and you can see the gifting. Let's say these are the plans, so you can actually buy affordable data. You can go TV, your subscription, you can do more. Now to get started, you have to register straight. How can you register? So let me quickly log out from this and show you the whole registration process from the beginning to the end, so you can understand everything. So now this is the home page. This is what you see when you click on the link below or in the description box or the comment section to bring you here. All you have to do is to tap on the register. So I'm going to tap on the register and it's going to take me to the registration page. So here I'm going to put in my full name, my email, I'll put in the phone number, my password, and I'm going to confirm the password. So I'm going to fill up these details. So let me just put Dan. Okay, let me just put Dan Demi. Let's leave this, and I'm going to put in my email. So let me put in this email. I put in this email, then I'm going to put in my phone number. So I'm going to put in this phone number. Then I'm going to put in my password. So let me just type in a demo password here. And okay. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to just confirm it. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to confirm the password. I'm going to click on register. So when you click on register, this particular software is going to load. It's going to load like this for you, and it's going to send a verification. You can see it's going to come here and say that it's going to send a verification to your mail. So let's go to our mail and check for the email verification. It happens in seconds. So there are some instances that it might not fall in your inbox. You can check the spam. You're going to see your mail there. So let me just go into one of my I'm going to my account. So I'm going to just blur this because these are my personal stuffs. So I'm just come to the mail that I use. So this is the mail that I use, and you can see that the mail has come to my DM email verification. So I'm just going to tap on it to open it, and I'm going to tap on verify email address. So when I tap on verify email address, this is going to automatically come straight to the website again. It's going to come straight to the website again and probably log me in. All right, so it's automatically take me to my DM. So this is my DM. This was the interface you saw at the beginning of the video. So to just save time instead of me coming to the website again and again, I'm going to install the application on my phone. So I'm going to click on that, install, and I'm going to click on install. So the application is getting installed on my phone right away. Now you have to actually fund your account before you can actually get the NIN verification. So how can you fund it? To fund this is easy. Just come to this button here, which is fund wallet. You're going to see this fund wallet. I'm going to tap on this fund wallet. Tap on this fund wallet is going to take me to a place where I can generate my account number. So I'm going to come here. You're going to see this button, generate account. All you have to do is just to tap on generate account, and your account number, your dedicated account number, will be generated for you. So all you have to do to fund your wallet is just to send this the account, to send money to this account number here. A PAM, can be PAMPay, can be any bank that you're going to see there. So anytime you send money there, it automatically is going to appear on here in your dashboard. Then you can scroll down to this identity verification. You tap on it, and then if it's NIN premium card you want to get, or the standard form, or BVN that you want to get for yourself, you just follow these steps, and it's super easy. So guys, this is how you can actually generate, and you can download your NIN slip or BVN slip, either the premium one or the standard card. So if you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. And don't forget that we actually download an application. So when I just come to my phone homepage here, I'm going to see the application I downloaded. So this is it here. It has been downloaded on my phone as an application, which is MaxPay. So to come here next time, all I have to do is just to tap on the application. It's going to open up for me this way, and this is super cool and super easy. So with this, I can actually generate my NIN, my BVN. I can get affordable data. I can do so much on this particular platform, which is maxpay.com.ng. So guys, I'm Danade Oboye, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.